When it comes to skin diseases, we all are looking for solution. Be it a man or a woman, we all want a young, beautiful and a clean skin, isn't it? So today in this video, I'm going to talk about one such Ayurvedic herb which is extremely beneficial for all types of skin diseases. It is described as Sarva Kushta Nivarak. Kushta means skin diseases. So be it acne, pimples, fungal infections, eczema, psoriasis, allergic hives or even dermatitis. This one Ayurvedic herb gives excellent result in treating that condition as well as eliminating the root cause of that particular skin disease. So I'm going to talk about what is Khadir, its properties, benefits and which is the best way to consume this particular herb. To have complete information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So basically, what is Khadir? Khadir is a tree which is widely seen in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It is extremely bitter and astringent in taste, and in nature it is extremely coolant. Sarva Kushta Nivarak. In skin diseases, it plays a major role. Before we talk about how to use Khadir, let us understand its benefits properly. Kandughna. Kandu means itching. In all the conditions where itching is present. So you can take an example of fungal infection, eczema or psoriasis. Severe itching is present in such conditions. So in such condition, Khadir gives excellent result. The second one, it's Dantya. Dantya means Khadir is one such herb which improves the quality of the teeth. 1000 years from now, when there were no toothbrushes or toothpastes, Khadir Dantun used to be used. You can ask your elders and they will tell you that yes, these are Dantuns and these were used in the ancient times. So since 1000 years or even more, Khadir is an integral part of our life. We've been using it on a regular basis. The next one is SHVITRAGHNA, which is leukoderma, white patches on the skin, which is very well known by the name vitiligo. Khadir plays a major role in treatment of this condition. JVARAGHNA, fever. Conditions where there is fever, Khadir helps in cooling down the temperature of the body. SHOTHAHARA. Shoth means conditions where inflammation or swelling is seen, Khadir is useful. AMAHARA, in Ayurveda is explained as an undigested waste product which further leads to ajirnata or indigestion. As you all know, indigestion is the start of major health problems and we have to treat indigestion in the first stage itself. So Khadir, along with eliminating the from the body, it is also useful in urinary tract infections and diabetes. These are the benefits of Khadir. Now how to use Khadir or in what form is Khadir available? For external purpose, Khadir is available in the form of oil, ointment and dusting powders, which overall is useful for skin infections. As you all know, Ayurveda focuses on the root cause, on keeping the internal system strong. Khadirarishta is a classical Ayurvedic medicine. Now Khadirarishta, I have it over here. It is available in many brands. You can take any of the brand. Khadir is the main ingredient. Basically, there are three actions of Khadirarishta. First one is on the intestines. It eliminates the krumi, the worms from the body. The second one is on the skin and the third one is on the blood. It has amazing results for skin and it purifies the impure blood. It helps in purification of blood, which overall gives excellent result for skin diseases. Similarly, there are many proprietary medicines like Activate India, Sorasi Med, Twaxi Med, which has Khadir in it and which is why it makes these products or these medicines excellent for skin diseases. This was all for today's video. If I can give you one tip or one home remedy which you can do in your day-to-day life is that you can buy Khadir Churna from your nearest Ayurvedic store, very easily available. So simply taking 1 teaspoon of this Khadir, preparing a decoction and consuming half cup of this liquid regularly will give you all the benefits for skin diseases. Also, if this decoction is used for bathing purpose, definitely excellent result. That was all for today's video. If you have any doubts or questions, make sure you write them down in the comment section. If this content is helpful, make sure you press the like button, comment down, give us your feedback, share this video, subscribe for more such videos. Until next time, from Jyovis, thank you so much for watching.